Are there supplements to rebuild cartilage?
Yeah, yeah. Very good question. So there is some limited literature, perhaps, on taking things like chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin sulfate actually is one of the components that compose cartilage, native cartilage in our joints. And so supplementing this orally, although we know it's broken down in the gastrointestinal system and then reabsorbed,
Yes.
there is perhaps some limited evidence that might help. Things that I do personally, my joints are slowly starting to wear out as well. Taking omega-3s, some of those things help. And, one that is not really building cartilage, but certainly may make your joints feel better is, interesting enough, vitamin D. And so I'm sure your patients often supplement with vitamin D, as a lot of us need to supplement.
Yeah,
Ensuring that your vitamin D levels are up to the appropriate levels can make your joints feel a little bit better.
all right, I love it. And you kind of segue. I love how you mentioned the omega-3s, because people will always say, can I naturally lubricate my joints? And,
Yeah.
I always say kind of consuming those healthy fats can certainly increase joint health and lubrication. I would say, like, from a dietary standpoint, we should always be eating part of this anti-inflammatory type diet, but eating things like the Mediterranean, the salmon, the trout, the mackerel, the avocados, the olive oil, the walnuts, the chia seeds. I think that just represents good nutrition. And if you get some joint benefits on top of that sound nutrition, then, it's great. But we want people to be approached holistically into their health.